In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram transfer processing too long. First, track your transfer using the reference number on the MoneyGram app or website to see the current status and check for any messages requesting additional information. Next, confirm that your payment method was successfully charged and that there are no issues or pending verifications with your bank. Then, double-check all sender and recipient details, including names, addresses, and contact numbers to make sure they match exactly, because even minor errors can cause delays. After that, allow at least 24 to 48 hours for processing since international or high-value transfer often take longer to complete. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable when checking the status and avoid repeatedly resending the transfer, which could trigger security blocks. And if the transfer is still processing beyond the expected time frame, contact MoneyGram customer support with your reference number so they can trace the transaction, confirm the exact cause of delay, and help release the funds safely so the recipient receive the money without further issues. So that's it.